Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. Let us visit to the beautiful Didupe Waterfall in Karnataka in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. We started our journey from Bangalore. It is really a wonderful experience to drive through the Charmadi ghat section with foggy roads and small waterfalls. The waterfall is located at around 23 km from Ujire town. You can park your vehicle and you may need to walk for around 20 or 30 minutes to reach the starting point of the trek. There are multiple routes to reach the waterfall. In that the most famous one is through the stream and Adikanad farm. There is an entry fee that you need to pay to the forest department for the trekking and visit to the waterfall. Check out video description to know about the entry fee and timing details. From this point, you need to go through the forest for around 30 minutes to reach the waterfall. I must have to say that the Didupe waterfall is a picture perfect and beautiful waterfall that I've seen recently. It is not recommended to get into the water during monsoon because the water flow will be high. The waterfall is also known as Kadamagundi Fall or Anandka Fall.
Or one thing you would have done is immediately come over here, book it, keep your things, come over here. Then you will be relaxed. Okay.
If you feel like tired and you don't want to search for a home that is very far, then you can find homestay which is nearby. You can find the details of nearby homestay in the video description. If you're visiting during monsoon, then make sure to carry some sanitizer or salt for the leeches, because I got some 5+ leeches on my legs during this visit. This is a must visit place on your trip to Dharmasthala. The Erumai waterfall is another good spot that you can cover nearby. Visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.